In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
If you're trying to choose between Power BI and Looker Studio for SEO reporting, I've been using both tools for about 6 months, and while they both help turn SEO data into dashboards, they're built for very different levels of reporting complexity. Starting with Looker Studio, the biggest strength is simplicity and speed. I found it incredibly useful for creating SEO dashboards using data from Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and other common SEO tools. It's easy to set up, beginner-friendly, and perfect for client reporting or quick internal dashboards. I also liked how simple it is to share live reports with a link. The downside is that it can struggle with large data sets and more advanced data modeling. Power BI, on the other hand, is much more powerful and enterprise-focused. What stood out to me most is its ability to combine multiple complex data sources and build highly customized SEO analytics dashboards. I found it especially useful for deeper analysis, where you need to connect SEO performance with business metrics or large-scale datasets. It also offers far more control over data transformations. The downside is that it has a steeper learning curve and requires more technical setup compared to Looker Studio. One thing to pay close attention to is your workflow. If you need fast, easy SEO reporting for clients or small teams, Looker Studio is usually more than enough. If you need advanced analytics, data blending, and enterprise-level reporting, Power BI is significantly more capable. Another factor is accessibility versus power. Looker Studio focuses on ease of use and quick deployment, while Power BI focuses on depth, scalability, and advanced data modeling. After 6 months of use, my conclusion is simple. Looker Studio wins for simplicity, speed, and SEO-friendly dashboards. Power BI wins for advanced analytics, scalability, and enterprise reporting. If you want quick and easy SEO reporting, I'd choose Looker Studio. If you need serious business intelligence capabilities, Power BI is the stronger choice.